Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's get into summer with this gelatin watermelon cake. Amazing! Start with some moulds and pour in red and green gelatin. Refrigerate those for 15 minutes. Now get some red sponge cake. We've got half a cake because it looks like a watermelon slice. Piping on white buttercream icing, layering up with green sponge cake, more buttercream icing, and another layer of red. Now let's coat the entire thing. Smoothing it out. Then get your gelatin balls and start sticking them on, starting with the green ones along the sides. As you can see, we've made quite a few of these. You need enough to cover one side of the watermelon cake. Then some smaller white gelatin balls along the edge, red on the top, and down the last side. And for a finishing touch, let's add some small black gelatin balls. They look like seeds. And there you have it! An amazing, super bright and colourful gelatin watermelon cake, ready to devour. Why not give it a go?